closely to each other. So it will be interesting just to see what we do here this morning. So officially there are over 70 dolphins in our Doubtful Sound pond. There's 120 in Dusky Sound and mid-50s in the northern pond. It ranges between Caswell Sound rather and Jackson's Bay. So they're just cruising, actually sort of heading in the same general direction as we will be heading. So they're heading into the fjord. Now as adults, these will be some of the largest buffaloes that you would see. The only other comparable in size are found on the Scottish coast. Because down here the water temperature can vary hugely and very quickly. So they have to have a thicker layer of blubber to protect them from the cold. So to do that, of course the newborns don't have that, and they're very susceptible to the cold. So the successful mothers are the ones that give birth during the warmer months of the year. And that generally works for them, but we can get exceptionally changeable weather and cold weather sometimes during the warmer months. Oh, there, that's what we want to see. Some breaching, so the couple just breached out in the distance. So adults need to eat anywhere between 6 and 14 kilograms of fish each a day to maintain their very thick layer of blubber. The bottlenose here grow up to an average of about 3 to 3.5 metres in length. It's up to about 700 kilograms. And in fact, I was told by a marine biologist that the largest bottlenose dolphin ever recorded in the world used to live in Doubtful Sound. I say used to because he was around for years and hasn't been sighted for at least the last 4. He may well have passed on. They do have a life expectancy of 40 to 50 years, and these dolphins have been very closely studied since 1994. So their distinguishing feature is their dorsal fins. As we look at them, you'll see they're different shapes and sizes, and certainly they do have some different scars on them. As the dolphins get older, their dorsal fins tend to get tattier. It is a matriarchal society. It is a female that gives the orders in the dolphin world. And she does so by distinctive sound she makes through her blowhole and distinctive body movements. Males tend to stay on the periphery of the pond, or juveniles, adolescents tend to go and form their own pod. We don't see usually many others rather than the females and their calves and their helpers. So they're beautiful creatures, and what a perfect scene this morning. Calm, silvery water, beautiful skies, and dolphins in that water. So these dolphins have been studied since 1994. Studies began due to a real concern that the numbers of dolphins were plummeting. Initially it was thought boats must have been the problem and been disturbing them, but there are in fact very few boats out here. It took many years before somebody did a study on the effect of the outflow from the power station. Tail race tunnels triple the amount of fresh water that comes through into the fjord, and that has now scientifically been proven to have altered the ecosystem at the head of the fjord and may well have changed the food chain for the dolphins. However, these are highly intelligent creatures, and they've certainly learned how to adapt, and it is noted that they spend more time out at sea feeding these days. However, they still call Doubtful home, and frequently, although they do change their habits from time to time, but frequently we may see them heading out, usually out Doubtful Sound, occasionally out through the gut, and then that's in the evening, and in the morning we'll see them at this end of the fjord. But they're not always in one pond. They do split into 2 or 3 pods. Certainly in cruise mode this morning, some of those lead dolphins getting quite a way out in front of us. You can clearly see the mothers and calves. The mothers, of course, being mammals, suckle their young on milk, and will do so for up to 2 years. The gestation period for a bottlenose dolphin is a full 12 months, and so they tend to give birth every 3 years. A bit hard underneath the bow, so right at the front, bend over in underneath, probably 1 or 2 dolphins right in underneath us. Oh, there's one breaching out in front in the distance. What a beautiful sign that was. So there are 1 or 2 dolphins that I certainly can recognise. One is coming up 3 years old now, and when he was born I was really worried about the wee thing. I thought he won't survive. He had a huge dorsal fin and he had a big lean on him. He would never survive, but he's grown into his big dorsal fin. And certainly if you see him head on or tail on, he's certainly contagious. He's still got quite a bit in him. He's still fine. I say he actually short because I hear a check. There we go. Just beautiful, aren't they? Dolphins have scientifically been proved to have the power of empathy. Should the mother have the misfortune to have her calf die, she'll actually carry it on her dorsal fin and keep pushing it up to the surface on a very regular basis, hoping it will regain life. It's a tragic thing to see. And eventually, she may be lost away from it by other dolphins, or eventually it will just gradually disintegrate. So I've only ever seen it once, and it's a tragic sight. Thankfully, we see that seldom. So there we go.